Okay, let's look at homework 4, problem number 3. All right, so here's the situation. So we have a 400-gallon tank. So we have a 400-gallon tank which contains 100 gallon of brine containing 50 pounds of salt. So initially you have 100 gallons of salt water. All right. Then brine containing 1 pound per salt per gallon, so 1 pound per gallon, enters at the rate of 5 gallons per second. So that's what's going in. And a well-mixed brine in the tank flows out at the rate of 3 gallons per second. All right, so you're pouring in at the rate of 5 gallons per second and pouring out at the rate of 3 gallons per second, which means that the water level is increasing at the rate of 2 gallons per second. Right? All right, so let's set up the differential equation. So differential equation is going to be, all right, so again, I'm going to use S of t for the amount of salt. Amount of salt in pounds after t seconds. Right, so in pounds. Right, so we can look at the rate of change of the amount of salt with respect to time. All right, so we're going to look at the rate in and minus rate out. All right, so we're gonna have rate in and rate out. All right, so rate in. All right, so it's a 1 pound per gallon at the 5 gallons per second. So it's going to be 1 times 5 pounds. So unit would be pounds per second. All right, rate out. All right, so we have to find out the concentration. So we know that after t seconds, we're going to have S of t pounds of salt. All right, and you're starting out with 100 gallons of brine, and then it's increasing at the rate of 2 gallons per second. So we can express it as 100 to begin with, plus 2 gallons times number of seconds, so 2t. Right? So this will tell you about the concentration of salt in the brine at time t. Right? Then this is flowing out at the rate of 3 gallons per second. So you have that. All right, then initial condition would be amount of salt it has is 50 pounds in the beginning. So 50 pounds of salt in the beginning. So S of 0 is equal to 50. All right, so we can solve this. This is going to be a linear equation. So we can solve this using the integrating factor. All right, that's it. I hope that this will get you going.